Oh, God have mercy. Anyway, I call this is tell us me I go down the road, go.
So you're not putting the window in the hot. You don't want to little fresh here.
Hello.
The natural here.
Hello.
That door.
Me if you pull on the window, right?
Yes.
For what? For another man jump through it again?
No man not jump through it.
And for you jump through it? You remember what me catch you do the last time at the window? Eh? Cock up, put your backside out there so. And the man turn up and crate out there. He man should have broke his neck. Yeah, idiot. What kind of me can't do tell me sister them sitting here. What kind of embarrassing thing you do? Eh? You get expelled out of school. Can't go back to high school again. You try to put in our high school. But boy, you gone through the gate. We can't get you back. We can't get you back. We don't have the strength there. You need to behave yourself.
So now behave myself.
Every minute is a different man. You are 15, you know? What else you want on this earth? Huh? Me understand that me worthless. But me try to be a better man. Eh? Me are sick because of you. Me out there how much o'clock at night time and mildew I try hustle money. Me can't get no money. Eh? Me I sell peanuts, it's still now work because people look for me and tell me say they not buy one pack of peanuts for $300. And you there, I glow the time. Instead, you see money when you take from the man, they do here and put on more tattoo and put on more piercings. You could have used it to buy food in there. Eh? Me, I have to go walk. You know, go try to get that dollar to give you something to eat. You tell me say you want to go for the road, right? Me not allow you to go for the road, but me I tell you say, please, me know say you're bad already. Try to be good today. You understand?
Yeah.
Don't make your name call for nothing bad. What me say?
Don't make my name call for nothing bad.
Right. Because people out the road the things that we still not still, because me was not a careless father, you put me to this. You put me to this. Because of company. You see that little black girl we always walk up and down with it. Anytime they eye bucket. If I go white when I done with him, I go talk to his sister when I see his sister, you know. I go and talk to his sister because you see that girl go put in a trouble. Go on before me, because you better reach over before me. Boy, I don't know what go on in this life here.
Sister.
What problem?
I'm good on your auntie.
Come over.
Nothing, I go look for her.
So you screen job so? Free your body man, you all?
No.
So you can up so warm?
Nothing.
Oh, go on auntie. Don't take too long.
Yeah. Mommy. Can I go take a walk, please?
Hmm?
Can I go take a walk?
You have money for you? So you see people are walking on the road without money?
But they are going to get money.
Okay, so where you want to go on the road with?
I want to go to Burger King.
You sure it's a Burger King you go?
Yes, mommy.
Ali, Burger King spelled different from KFC. KFC spelled different from McDonald's and Wendy's and something. The way you say they go.
Burger King.
Burger King. Make sure say a Burger King you go.
Mommy, a Burger King I go for two.
You understand me?
Yes.
And when you dey walk on the road, please me dey begin in the name of Jesus. Don't stop with nobody. Because you see them friend there where you and them, they in the same class. Where they back of the class? Eh? Eh? Same grade you know? Same class. You see how them behaving there? Hmm? Me no need nobody to come to me and they complain say you disrespect them on road and you they cuss bad word and they go on with yourself. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
Anytime you pass anybody that is older than you on the street, elderly people may chat, or if a young somebody, as long as they're older than you. Hi, morning, hello, good afternoon, miss or sir. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
Me don't want you disrespect nobody. You understand me?
Yes,
Me
mommy.
don't want nobody come, they complain, say, you they turn up on the bus park with man and all kind of sitting in a uniform or out of uniform.
But mommy, me never stand up with a bus.
Me never say you do it. Me just tell you when me no want you to do when you need to listen. That mean you know to do it no at all. Because ideas can build up. And then you start follow a friend and do it because company always lead other kids astray. Not every company. It depends on the type of friend you keep. So guess what? Remember say me warn you for a long time. Stop keep one type of friend. Me not say you can't talk to people, but be careful of the friend them where you keep. You understand? Be careful of what?
Friend. Mommy keep.
Okay. And me know why you keep no dunce friend. Cause then we make your grade drop. Other day the principal call me and tell me say you look like you had pick up and you have the potential and you pass the test. So they go put you up on honor roll. So you need to stay at the level there or go up further. You don't need to drop. Else, you know what go happen. Anyway, me give you one money. See it? Want go buy the burger. And make sure you say, you know, stop nowhere idle with nobody and a little boy on the road they call after you too because your body cock up in your ear and the breast gone up. So, you hear what me say?
Yes,
And me will ring off your ears. Go on.
Alright.
And me come back in the yard and I see you. Me go out there so go talk to one of my friend them and make sure you reach here back before me. I'm serious. When I come back, wash up the plate them. Make sure you spread up your bed.
Yeah, there. Where you say go? Auntie. No, man, me forgot check this because them a get a bad. So, yeah, girl. We're about to go later, girl. You know, so we have to come out and everything.
Friend.
Hey, friend. Wagwan, girl.
You have to tell my mother say a Burger King. Me a go.
Yeah. This will be a class. We have a party to go later. And everything.
No, come
Go away,
teach you
yourself.
how to jiggle up your body.
No, you know if the girl know for dance. You know for dance. You know for dance. She don't know for dance. We have a teacher, girl.
So, I
Teacher.
just jiggle up your body, my girl.
So now, you see with that party, girl, you hear the bad song. You all hear unch it, girl.
Yeah.
Unch your back. Unch like up, down. Up, down, yeah. So any song you hear, you have to do up your wine and them thing. They wine up your back body. Feel the vibe. So yeah, if you buy a room and them thing, they don't think, girl, you smoke.
Oh yeah, mama, daddy give me money. Come tell us me I can Burger King so we go buy.
So we can use the money there. But when you spend it by rum, what should you ask for a burger there?
Tell us me name it a road. My Burger King.
Oh, your mother not find out, so you buy it now.
Yeah, she not find out.
Make sure. Because later we want to come out, so we want to mash up the place.
So, teach me how to jiggle up my body, no?
Say you have to chill up your body. My mom don't ask for share, girl. I share want to share me now. You know that already, you know, girl. So yeah, you can do unch it. You know for that, so you not have to explain nothing too tough. You know for that, so just she know we have to teach the good thing. So yeah. Anyways, me there feel boring.
So
Una close?
Yeah, we try about your key.
Down the lane, run a one part in our yard.
On the first CM yard, we did a party last time.
Me don't know, remember me never got party. I first me a got party.
How is she? Yeah. Where you see that guy again? Who that girl and auntie?
Where auntie yard there.
Don't miss her.
So all you type yourself with friend our company.
How this?
I'm my sister.
Yeah.
Come up here, so. Where you say that go?
And my auntie.
So all you type yourself with friend our company. They wind up your body like you come like a hookworm. You need to wind up.
Oh, yeah, this is a friend, but
Let me say.
Mr. Who you?
So don't really pick me. I will box off your head.
Box off overhead. You're mad.
For your mother want to pay
You're mad.
Your mother
Who
want
am
to
I, mother?
pay you know.
How you know me, mother? I don't know you.
I see all your mother, I see all your father.
My father did nothing.
You know nothing?
No.
You come
What's that?
I should have mean she look like her. She know my
Hey.
mother.
Come on, you see her. Come now, what can I kill this yeah?
How far them a bad getting pitney here? How far them a all pitney here with they run up and down on the road? Don't know no parents. I couldn't have nothing to do for no yard. You know the bad breed pitney them, you know. Get up pitney them, bad getting pitney. Yes.
Candy, good morning.
What you just say?
Good morning, Auntie Candy. Say my mother just threw me ignorant in the morning.
Okay.
You don't want to know, say me pass your daughter up the road, a wine and a jiggle up her body.
Printo, WhatsApp video.
And you say you're Christian. Because that's what I have. I broke up my little sister. How my little sister that went up her body?
My daughter.
Yes,
I jiggle up on road
yes.
and they broke out for your sister.
And you all your brother and daughter up there too, you know. You better warn them when I come and face it with me in the morning, you know.
My brother daughter.
Yes, two of them up there, they wind up them by like a hookworm.
So my niece and my daughter, they up the road?
Up the road and wind up themselves, like fixing them body, like they're not nothing they yard for do.
That's true, you talk?
Hello, you know see my sister just run past right or so. I whap her, you know, because I send her
Are your
out and
sister?
Yes. I whap her, see them here too.
So me know you so long, I mean.
Hi, mommy.
Hi.
Hi, mommy. You look, see me never see your father, you know. But I know your auntie will deal with it properly. I can't go over my business. But one them, you know, come in, one them, I follow up my sister, you know. Come in, one them broke up my sister. I school my sister for go. You hear me, I say? One them for me, the please.
Thank you very much
yes.
for telling me. Where are you coming from?
Church. I would there try to learn to do sign language and she see me.
Where you come from?
Church.
Turn around.
Oh, me don't know. Shut up.
Then, where are they? Look, wait. You don't have no church clothes?
Yes, mommy.
So church keep today there on Friday?
Yes,
and on Saturday and Sunday?
Friday, every day.
Every day. So what to your church clothes them when me buy for you?
In our house, mommy. I told me about the plan to go.
You not plan to go away?
Church.
So why you look over there so? You come around here so. When me see my brother, me have to go talk to him about you. You're not supposed to know the girl will just come right here so.
Yeah, we know why.
What you hope this so they do?
Sign language. I will see her come and she talk about party and jiggle up body and all that. I see her sister come with stick.
And I beat her with pride now.
Liquid too. So
I
they
want
have
you
to say
liquid
no.
with face.
Liquid off her face.
We. Can't you your teacher sister
My niece and my daughter. Oh. Wait, hold on. Una or don't have nothing?
No.
She just soon want licking out her face.
Because she thinks
You not have tell lie.
no, she think her sister learn dance with me. But on a dance, she come out, she a jiggle up her body.
So you did up there so I jiggle up?
No, they learn sign language.
Oh, so
Yeah.
you realize what you just said to me? You did up there so how I?
Sign language.
Sign language.
Yeah.
Which part?
Up there, so.
Up there so. Up there so how?
Right up the road.
Come here. You see you? You start tell lie.
Me not.
First you tell me say a church.
Me
Hey,
go
little girl.
church and me come back.
A matter of fact, when you left out of the yard, the money when you ask me for, where you tell me say when they go?
Burger King.
Okay. And Burger King they up there so no one nobody in the town and the grill. I up there so you there. And me never know so one church they up there so. So you broke out now. Don't answer me like that.
No money.
Oh, you, me ain't no size. I saw me grow you.
No money.
If you walk up and down pan road and jiggle up kin and both sign language, you think you can fool me?
Love her body.
You feel say me an idiot?
Gone on the road.
Okay, when me go, me will deal with you, because you don't know say you know.
My sister, how are you going to
You see, true, me no want bust her ass and send her home to you.
Where she
Yeah?
go?
Me here say they up on the road up there so, they wind up, they jiggle up and they go on with themselves and a skin out and a brawl out. And they look man too. One if I sit me and say then they go along with up on the road.
Come here. Come here, sir.
After this, I want you to tell me about in the Burger King.
I like the girl I tell.
What me say to you, say?
Kayla not tell no lie on her. Me know Kayla long
You
time.
the pan road that jiggle up for free. Me not tell you only a jiggle up if you have money. They come, make sure that.
What you tell the little girl say?
You know, seen gone through the road already. You put on piercings, so we have to make money. My sister, yeah.
You is a idiot. You is a
I
idiot.
mom go with for what?
Should have slapped in your eyelash with it.
He done gone through the gate.
Which
We can't
gate?
do nothing.
You
We
cannot do that to me niece, although you pick me. She's a girl child. Oh, you feel allow the little girl on the road. Okay, no wonder why her cousin Jesus Christ trick me and tell me how she got Burger King so plan. And gone up in a music club then there somewhere up the road, they jiggle and they both they can't trick me about sign
What
language.
money you gonna get?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Huh?
Your father, God forgive me man, me and your brother, but we are ask the little girl them.
Me not identify you again. Me not identify you. Every time I come down there, me I hide things from you. You see that little girl there? In can man in my house so much time in a row. In virginity gone already. Me can't do nothing again more than just collect.
Me need to talk to you. Yeah?
Me can't do nothing more than collect.
So you sell out your daughter?
I don't sell me, I sell him.
To
Don't
man.
do not say that. Me not sell her. She have her man, them a come on me yard at night time and I see them through window.
And you uphold with this little girl for carry man in your place as a daddy? Why you never
Me
report your
uphold you.
station if she not listen to you? Why you glad for see she carrying the man them for you collect money from her?
I
So you
be-
want she sell her body if you come mind you big old great tone dirty thinking
I
like you
be-
before you go look walk.
Look,
Some broke out my niece. Oh.
How much time I call police for you? How much time I call police for you and when police ain't look for
She
you
not
and say,
obligated to you if you answer them the kind of question they in front of so much crowd, you know. No, not because you're daddy. No.
No, you don't
Me no
understand
business
what
for
I
your
want. You don't
daddy.
understand what I want.
Me no care.
Me say too, I say, my daughter, sit there, you fall out of school. Please, me I beg you. Just stay up on the right track with the
Why she fall out of school?
Eh? Your daughter want next one again. The principal and
So,
him, the principal
You know
and
about
him,
it. So she stopped going to school.
the principal
You
then
see you?
Me just
You have a bus
then
ticket.
catch her with the principal in the car.
Bunky. That's a lie.
So
That's a
she
lie.
then did that about?
Yes, the principal will get fired.
The little girl will then catch with the principal. Jesus Christ.
Um,
You
but-
sure say she...
Me say, I saw me go for school, I
I know
shame.
parents still like
Me
pan picking, you know,
say-
I am my brother. What you they say to me about my niece? That's true?
Me ever tell her a lie?
Enough time.
The only lie me tell her when me tell her say she a behave good.
No,
she not
I
behave
will
good.
if a lie you tell me. Right now, me no know if you believe her. Me never say she not do it. But me no know if you believe if she do it for true. Why this a little girl out there they care so much money in your house and you feel nice and pleased through your collect?
When you go in our room, you ever go over me yard and go in our room, you know, see me batten up the window. Me take out the window and batten it up. I put a ply there.
Why, she a prisoner?
She a jump through it.
Achu your father later?
I lie, my friend.
So,
Look for me and tell me say me a liar.
I lie, I tell.
No, why you look
hold
up
on,
so?
hold on. How old are you? Me forgot to know age. Can't you grow up so fast for me?
15. Only 15, not even 16 and I must
But you know,
that.
say you want dirty man do Papa all the way, my brother. Or you feel have 15-year-old as your own child. Then I see you that do somebody else pick me. 15-year-old and they can, and you just start your mouth and me say so. They can want it for money in the but you don't be because you the collect.
You know, listen good enough, my sister. Me say, I can't manage in my house, that's why I nail up the
yes,
window.
and you don't business, don't get it twisted. Me here where you say me not dumb.
Alright.
You say it make you collect money, you know business because she done school. Where the look at where they talk say?
No, listen. Him say.
You know the police all lock you up?
Listen what she say. And you go
you first them all lock up before the man them when she are carrying it because you are inviglar for do it. Because you don't want to look no work, you know. Every day they are my yard I beg money, you know. You don't want to look no work, you know. Every day you come on my yard, me broke my sister. Me broke, you know, no money can give me because
why me come on your yard I beg your money? Tell them why me come on your yard I beg your money.
Me if you tell them?
Yeah.
Because you don't like to work. And you love freeness. I like how you always tell you, listen, let me tell you something. You see you better stop where they do. Because you run with the little girl mother. You run with the little girl mother because you are jiggle where you know left off of the bridge. Every night, you're the pan bridge, I look, girl. And all the girl them where they look. Instead of you make them give you money, because then come down from over so. You are grown and a cut people yard. And the money where you figure she and send her to school, you take her by front. Hey!
Me tell you why we don't know him
you
mother.
See you?
Him mother do the same to what she do right now.
Her mother?
Yes. That's why I'm in front of the mama.
So you are jiggle and the mama. Look here. So hold on there.
She get the,
no, she can't stay with you no more, Papa. Me have to go take my niece from you.
Alright. See, doesn't mean I'm
no, she can't stay with you no more, else police are going to come in your yard, come take her out there, you are going to get locked up.
Alright, I'm going to make she stay with you now. And you are going to see.
Why you run with the mother? You can't protect her? Ooh. You can't take care of her?
We gone through the gate, we can't
so
take care of her.
when she depend on her...
gone through the gate.
Look here, she's at the age of 15. She must depend on her menstrual already. So how is stay free and sitting them go? What you know about her?
Me buy,
you sure that she not pregnant?
Me buy 6-pack of stay free. You know. Watch how the little girl wicked. She wicked. The girl take them out one every day, right? So I look on them and I say, no, sir, something not right. One stay free for the whole day. Eh? You know, must full. One mind say, go open up the garbage bag and search to spot them. Because it's me, that man like this. My life is the way I go on. When me search spot them, what? White, no.
So you walk and search pad. Where you fi search, you not search. Are your data,
no.
Privacy, you gone in a gang search. Before you take your stupid tongue and just chat say she a care 1 million money in house. And before you care go a doctor.
Shut them out. If some parents they do that, they don't know so them pick their breed. But not only that, and a breed she a breed. Guess what the girl do? Me don't know which pharmacy selling mini grinder.
Girl, I call her girl. What kind of father like you? I say you talk to her over there. That's why the name of them, the downtown have your name all over the place. So you is not a daddy. You is not a daddy. You is a sperm donor. Them all I wonder if she a jacket. Cause you sure say for your pitney? Me I wonder if I'm a niece because why you treat her like this? What is the problem?
Yeah, look there. Just look,
girl, look there.
Look.
And that you grew her up in a batty rider, belly skin, G-string and French cut. And flip-flop. That's why the big man them a look her.
You know the normal jazz when you used to wear when you're younger. The panty that my mommy used to buy you.
Yeah.
The girl take them dash way.
Why you dash way those kind of jaws?
But mesh panty and G-string is good for her. Come on her too. Him maga, who me don't know if fit in a G-string. They don't know if G-string a body cleaner.
Jesus
when
Christ.
you hook up in your behind and you walk, so you walk out the shit them out of your body. I don't understand how Jamaican...
But you can buy rag and proper soap and give her, make she bathe. You know, hygiene and she a girl child, make she take care of herself properly. No wonder why she smells so a long time she not bathe. Why you have her in them dirty clothes up on the road? And it look like she not have no underwear. What? Look there, no Brazil, nothing. What is the problem? Your daughter, you fi take care. I don't matter. Wait,
I don't buy that.
What do you mean I know you buy this? Where she get it from?
You will never see me buy no short things, you know.
So at the man them where they tell me by Jesus Christ. So, look here, Papa, you go have to stop this over your yard. You can't have your daughter there and they make 1 million man they come there to her and then because you they collect money, it come like nothing to you. You need to stop it. It's me I call police for you.
Let me ask you a question. You see she?
No point for my daughter. Not because of your niece. Not do it. Not do it. Me know say she just do something wrong, but me I go school her about it because she knows say she never...
I have something to tell her about she, but not today. Come, drag your ass by your yard. I'm going to keep her for me.
Come.
My auntie, my sister more strict, but not strict enough. But stay with her. But carry down in clothes and come, carry over. Because you see me back down the whole house. When me done back down the whole house, she can come back home.
You see you know the reason why she do this? Kids learn off a parent. You are carrying 1 million idiot girl in at the house. So she thinks she big enough for carrying 1 million
So
man. Yes, you?
So
you
me a carrying woman if you do that?
And you then make she think that she have right to do it
All
because
right.
she not grow the right way.
Alright, she go and see. Go and see. She gonna feel you.
Stand up right here, son. Make sure. So wait. Kayla, tell me. I don't lie, she tell. What me say?
Make sure.
Because if somebody else tell me, looking at me, I not run no joke with you. Say a true Kayla they talk, me go bust your ass. Because I know so me grow you. You're gonna make everybody in the little area here say you this and here say you that. And have your name all over the place like for everybody else. Eh? Don't shake your head for me.
No, mommy.
Listen to me, my niece. You see them complain there where your father they say out of your head about you. Please me they ask you if you really the care man in the house at the age of 15. A problem. You can get pregnant, you can catch disease. And them your man nowadays, especially when they're enough older than you. You see, two years young and they know so they will get themselves in a problem. They not go own it. They might all when they know so they do it, they might tell you plain and straight, if you call me name, me analyze you. If you call me name, me dismantle your family them or whatever. I mean know you know why your family them nothing wrong for happen to them. So me know you go keep your secret, but when me tell you something, make sure say you're not pregnant. Don't shake your head off for me. If I slap you today, cause then there's something the way your father they talk about you. You're too young for them, there's something they go on in your life already. Why you not run on nobody like a gas station? Eh? Why? Look how you're pretty and you're nice. Eh? You can't wait for your time. What is wrong with you? Right now, I'm afraid to take you in the house with me. Because I don't want you to lead your cousin astray. Although I don't know what you do behind my back, so I can't swear for you. But me and your backside, a hell and powder house with the belt in there. Because you look like you not listen. When you're behind my back, you do what you want to do, but I don't say you go. Anyway, you know why? I'm going to make you go inside here so go sleep. You need to cut out sex before time. You understand? Baby not wearing. And you're not ready for no baby yet. At school you have to go back. So if your father no plan to send you back to no school, me I go take up in my hand and send you back to school. Because you know look good. 15-year-old and your name all over the place. Like a pepper light. Just a wink so. Everybody know about you. You take it for joke. It's sad. You not reach nowhere yet and your name a ring all over the place with Tom, Dick and Harry. Look here. Come go in and find something give her to eat. And hello, make sure, let me smell you. Because when they up there say, you know, master, I told me no want to shame you in front of them, you know, because I tell you the truth, you know. You know, your father tell me all yesterday when me bucking down the road say you don't want to bathe. Me don't know why you don't want to bathe. You're a nice girl. Look how you're pretty. People will smell you. You don't know about hygiene, your father not teach you. Before you poop around with your mama, your mother never teach you until you say you have to bathe and take care of yourself. Eh? And look here. You see them clothes where they put on and expose yourself to the devil and the world. Eh? Be careful. You hear what me say?
Yeah.
Don't answer me now, yes. Yes,
Yes,
auntie.
auntie.
Go on in my house and go bathe and find something to eat. And me no want no boy come on me yard come call you. It's me go dash piss in their face. I'm me serious. Clean up in the house, Leah. Don't bother with doing you know, man. And then me have one dirty brother. They ain't so confused.
Sis. You know me tell you one lie yesterday. Me can't go shop. I want to go buy one juice because none there.
Alright, I'm buying one bottle of water because use the last water. Wash up this plate. And why every time you come out here, you say hunk up when you talk to me? Nah, near me, no? You know, say me nah, near me. Free my body. You come out here, you hunk up. Man, tap, no do that. Put it on your side.
But you say me no fi own cup, me no own cup.
When you come out your uncle like this, sister, we can go shop buy something. Me nah eat you. You come out here say, sister, me can I go to shop? Go on and shop. If you say shop, you go. If you not shop, you go. Me I go no.
Alright.
You say you go shop and come back. Don't take too long.
Alright.
Yeah, baby. Just calm down in there, man. Me go down to my sister yard and give me $300. Just calm down in there. Yeah, I love you. Yeah, no problem. Don't worry about that. My daughter on their yard again. Yeah, man, I left you with my sister. Yes. I'll talk to you. Hold on, let me talk to you. I'll look at gym bag. Yeah, I'll look at gym bag and see the top there. Yeah. All right.
How we are call Jing Bang see?
What's your problem?
Me I beg you $100.
Don't forget money to give you from. Me don't give you to put the money, you're bright. Look at girl. Let me ask you a question.
Sir, you know I said when me like you.
All your asses. Like me is one, but getting me is not one. Me tell you that is not an option. Let me tell you something. And you, I broke up my daughter, and you know, lamb one buck your sister. Anywhere me see your sister, me I go cuss out your sister if you keep you off the road, you know. Because it's nothing but a prostitute. Because it's where you come on, no? I see anything with that, I do the same thing what you do. So you broke her out. And you make she left school.
Me, she left school, but me not left school are two different in that.
Sure, you're the type of friend I want to be. What you do for road now, I big money? You know, my sister. Your sister not have money.
Me I ask you, me need to talk about sister.
Just you look at Marga's quick body go up there so. Go on. Go on where you go. Go on.
You pay too.
Go on.
Yo, love.
Favor them look up. All your body black and favor them look up. God. Put on my sister, yeah, man. Because I don't know what kind of body they have. Them body look up here so different than the body, well, extra black. Favor. Oh, just remember now, if you want them black old pot there. Oh, Lord.
Young father.
Yeah?
You know, better ring my father, man.
Oh, no, nigga. What you call? Oh, Lord have mercy, man. These here are... want a car, man.
No, like, mama tell you, I walk for you, man.
Oh, God. Woo. Oh,
So, I'm putting badness in the phone, but...
So, you hear me?
Still, I know.
So, you hear me? I
Like,
say,
a good you, I could buy a drink for them there, my father.
don't worry, man. We can buy more than a drink. So, you hear me? I say, anytime I see you again, we sit and have a drink. But right now, me I go for my sister, I drop off her money to my daughter, and then hit to
So,
the
yeah,
road.
for man, because I want to little be me, I'll check it and I'll see you seen.
All right, no problem.
Want to look about something to eat already?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you never press your shorts?
Mommy, I told me can't have that.
So no iron no in the house again?
Yeah.
No iron no in there. So you can iron your clothes and make it look properly. Properly dressed. You feel look nice. Well attired. Listen. Me need you for all on a yard clothes. Me need you for press your clothes and make you look nice. Like a nice little young girl. Practice become perfect. Wear you care yourself when you're little so you're tan when you're big. So you go practice to be a clean and decent, tidy little girl. So you grow up in a house. So when you get big and you go and pay your own and live with no husband, this go for you too, you know. You smiley. Listen to me. Don't chew your mouth while I'm talking. You hear me, I say?
Yes.
Okay. No, yes, me. Yes, auntie.
Yes, auntie.
Me can't say your father no teach you no manners. Listen to me now. Me love, you know, say from your little baby, me call you Leah. But me know your right name is Ali. And I make you the name, the man know your papa. So me call you anything me feel like Ali, Leah, anyone. Excuse me 1 minute, please. Me I talk to my niece and my daughter. So nobody can interrupt me right now because me need to talk to them. Listen to me. You see, a man in time, you know this long time, you know. But me don't know about you, you know, because your papa you used to stay with. Listen. A man in... Alright, leave her alone. Yeah. Me no tap put on no mouth and the little pitney them. Not because for no pitney, no help turn them down too. Before you pray for your pitney, you come in an argument and not even know what me talk about. And that with you, boy. The one brother when me have, you always agree with me. Listen to me now. It's when you wake up a morning time, when you get up and tidy up on the room. Spread up on the bed. You know already, so you need to tell her,
Yes,
You understand? Anything you use, wash it out back. Clean as you go. Sweep out the place, spread up on the bed, and don't keep one sheet on the bed for 3 weeks. You hear me?
Yes, auntie.
Come in with your dirty brother Tan. Before he go rent, that's how he live. And me used to stay with nasty. And when he done in the put it, I'll be turn up this, you're lucky. Me no want you take up in nasty style. Me no know what your mother and him have, but he tell me one long bag of story. But a 2 story, judge I listen to no one. So me not pay no mind. Me know in lie already, I'll do my brother. Anyway, you wanna eat something from morning?
Yes.
You eat anything?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. So me can see someone look nice and bathe and look how you look nice and fresh and look here now. You see it? You see when people bathe out there and look how you bathe and look nice and fresh. That's how me want you to look.
So when in the yard in the bed, you see what me tell you.
She said no water in the yard all the while. You send her go a river with one little dirty paint pan for catch water. And when she come with you, use the flush toilet. Why pick me for bathe? He's a wicked man. Anyway, look on her. You see she nice and clean?
Alright, that's why I borrow this. Make it serve her.
You borrow this.
Borrow it.
And if you serve her,
Right.
for how long?
Huh? But a month. Or more. Can be all more too.
God, just bear me witness, Father God. Me not even say them to bear me witness. Father God, bear me witness how much money he care up here and say him borrow it. Because I know him a liar, didn't fee money. I know his style. See it there? $300. And if you serve her, for what?
Month and a half.
Nobody want month again. Yes. Okay. Yes, you hear him?
You can get my $45,000 in a go street. Yeah. All right, no problem. See, I'm gonna meet me Cathy.
Yes, me know.
Huh?
And me a bet say, you dey go give her more money than your own a child. But no worry yourself, no papa, because she will never hungry. As long as God put food in her for me house, my niece not hungry, neither me pick me. I mean, when you come here, they come sorry for nobody here, so I carry $300 come, like this can support her. Remember, say me I go send her back to school.
Me say you go back in the
She go back to one school. You and nobody cannot stop that. In the name of Jesus, she going back to school.
Stop it, high school, you have to go send him go. Government don't want him back in no high school because his reputation is bad. When you live down with a, you see a boy there, you see if I want to hold him, I'll squeeze out the life all time.
Go on, your girl a call you. Go on, me I talk to them.
I'll be back.
Go on.
Hey.
Try again.
Don't go up on me yard because it's locked. Because of that, don't make him come out to your eyesight. Watch her. You see, all I want to remember, I have something to tell about her.
Tell Win now.
Your woman a call you, leave them, me talk to them. Go on.
I will talk to you.
I feel money, you know. I feel money and borrow it. But your papa liar, your father make you go astray. And your mother is a worthless mother. Why she leave you at a tender age and go and sell front? Why your mother do something like that? It better she did come to me and ask me to make you stay down here for a long time. You'd have to go to school. And you'd have more brighter, you'd have more education. But through your worthless papa don't care about you, and your mama coming like a jankro. She's an evil woman. She ain't fear no pick me. I should have me have you. But I just saw you go anyway. I go give you this for you keep as your pocket money. Here where you go do with it now. I go put money on this. I go put more money on this and buy more groceries so you can have things in the house to eat and use clean up the place and everything. That means you no hungry. But you see this? You go take it and don't waste it. You go buy a little roll-on. You know your little roll-on?
Yeah.
One little lotion. Buy one little shampoo and have your own things them from you are this age. That means when you're big, you know, so you have your own things and don't use all people things because you have them in a problem. And you know, feel like beg. You better you be the giver. You understand?
Yes, auntie.
Okay, so keep that. Alright, maybe give you money later. But me I go put money on this and buy some grocery. Anyway, me no want to see you back in the dirty slippers there unless you wash it. You hear what me say? Don't shake your head off for me. Because me no understand. Look on her slippers how nice and clean. Look how she beard and look good. Yes, your beard and your clothes look nice, but your slippers dirty. Don't go back on the street like that. You hear me? Because the other day, me go down the road, and me say Ruth tell me something about her daughter. How she dey a man, and how she dey carry herself big and nasty, that she should say people, they watch people on the road. They not mind them business, So now if you go learn to carry yourself nice and decent and clean and respectful on the street. You hear me?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I'm not going back in my house because I don't want to think you can use your head for me and take on yourself and take time squeeze you out of the yard. Especially how you get money. You're trying to done it before time. Remember if you buy a little roll and a little something them. Yeah, take it properly,
Oh, auntie, girl, come in, me have an idea.
You're not up to tell me now.
Girl, see I call auntie gone now. I'm gonna think auntie I come back for now, Auntie I come back for now. So cause she give me money there and she tell me to buy up some things.
With money?
Give me, she give me money. So now me I got my boyfriend. I want to come with me. Me and you, girl. Remember me here now,
My mother strict. And my mother know enough people on the road. They might go see her and they might go tell her like last time.
She not have to know whether my boyfriend have food, he have rum, he have every little thing we want. Him drive, so I can just call him, make him pick me up right there from nobody not go see me no tall.
Alright, come on, show me eat the food,
Come.
Show me eat the food. I'm tired of see.
Don't bother discriminate, my man. Babes.
How do you?
There. What else I do? Think that on my yard.
No, mommy, what else I go and take in a cold breeze?
So every day you out there taking cool breeze. You eat for morning?
I mean.
Okay, what you eat?
I'm going to go buy one food then.
And you make you buy something for me?
Girl, what tell me say? A chicken tip me?
You know.
What say food I go there?
Girl, if you ever use them style, come near your belly. You follow me.
So food didn't come after?
Girl, why you trick me?
Girl, just...
I want the food, You go buy
when I go buy. My mama have money, so I go buy. Anyways.
How is that?
I'm a cousin.
So what? So you look so?
No, I just told me to look for you.
Oh, yeah. So, him name, so, cousin, Jabon, Ali.
Ali?
Yeah, Alia. Anyone that want to call her?
I can call him Greedy.
Greedy, all that to her big back. Banky.
I like you love him belly.
Yeah, she love her belly.
I love my belly.
So you do for your side here?
No plans. I'll go on.
No, because I'm boy and I'm sure we go screech out here because my auntie me there, my father again. So my auntie will screech out here, she don't know. But I can use some style and tell because my father come here and give me money. So I can use some style and tell her I'm going down a town go buy some things.
Well, on the back up. What do you mean by screech over here? Then I say, I 18.
Yes, me I eat it, but them still treat me like a kid. Them just lock me up in a cage like me a what? My dog?
No, man, they can't take a kid I have. You must say you work and you're well tattooed on.
Them no business about that. Them blind to it. Them just lock me in. So when them go away, at them time them get the opportunity to come out here.
Me here.
So me I go take me little time and go back down because you know my auntie head mad. I can't take it drama right now. So later, yeah?
Me there, man.
Give me a hug.
Alright. Alright, Greedy. Look, come on, here, Greedy.
Oh, waste my time on it.
Give me a belly, girl.
My breast cool.
Girl. You say I can buy my food and me not get no food. And on top of that, you tell big lie from 15 to 18 so fast. I say you go fast.
Girl, I'm not want to pick me. So if you tell me I have to bring on my age all 2 times.
And that's why mommy say me I follow few footsteps,
So something wrong if I follow my footsteps?
You tell the man say you're 18 and you're 15, but anything in the dark must come to the light.
Girl, shut up. It come just like your mother.
Alright, you're going to see what you're going to find out.
Are you already we whooping, you know?
Me not tell nothing because enough people there on the road for tell her.
Okay.
No, man, too much.
Man for love. Man are my light and my salvation.
Oh.
Smiley. I wonder if them asleep. Hey, how we then gone? How we then there? I see none of them in our house. So they not tidy up the place. They go about them business like a too big woman. Okay, alright. Me know what me I go do. I dey sit down right here so and wait until you no come back. One way in, one way out. Me must sketch you now. Me now move. Right here, so. Where I come from?
Down the road. Legal town.
In town and Negril.
Mm-hmm.
Who dare you to come out of the yard?
She's a fella, honey.
Smiley,
Yes, auntie?
you did call me phone and ask me if you can come out of the yard?
No.
Why you leave out of the yard without my consent? Me no have them the kind of policy there, so. You just left and gone
No,
after
because
your
you
own.
really go, so maybe we can go too.
Excuse you? Who the hell you think you be? You figure that you is a child at the age of 15 and you're not responsible for yourself? And this is not your papa yard, this is your auntie yard. And you're not come here to come run things. So you come to broke out your cousin. Really? Like, Leah. Where your answer in? See
Yes,
there?
mommy.
All of a sudden. What is your problem? You know no manners again. That's what me grow you?
No, mommy.
Why you leave out of the house without my consent? If she tell you to come, why you didn't call me and ask me if you can go? You just leave just like that. Suppose you don't go out on the road now, a police, you don't make call me, they tell me, say,
I already go buy downtown with the money where I get.
eh?
The money where I get.
What?
We buy a burger with it.
I never send her no way. She should have asked me if she can go and get it, and I would send her. I would. But you don't ask me, you just take on yourself and come out of the yard. And a matter of fact, you see you? The way your father tell me about you, nothing. Where you say out of the mouth, yeah. Me no believe you. And you, come here. And also me grow you. You're the turn one little piece of lion. You all of a sudden, you know better speak the truth again. Where the burger there? Wait, hold on. Let me see.
A Pepsi?
A rum a drink?
No.
You sure say a Pepsi?
Yes,
Because if you no Pepsi a shot your box today, your poop a tan when you there and feel it. How Pepsi smell again? Me not even know rum smell. Oh, a Pepsi fit you. Cause you not have black rum.
No.
You, me not trust you. Your father tell me how much man you they carrying out at the age of 15. You they carrying man and they go out, but chewing so licky and craven. Your papa allow you to carry man in the house to get money. So you come to broke out your cousin now for she carry man in the house, so it will never happen. I lie will not tell. Are you go in the house? Go in the house. Tell you when your papa come. You tell your papa say me but no come out, say me boss said girl. Where you come take out me pick me out of here that come broke road. Go out to telephone a man here, do not go and go do all kind of sin. Make sure you say no tidy up people. Look here. Oh no do nothing in the yard. It look like as me turn me back so no come out. And gone about burger. Lion! Me know burger smell. Smell like I want to go wrap up with some man when I'm beard from last week. Me see you see all you smiley. I have a piece of punishment to give you. Go clean out the toilet. Come in and no piss in there and left you and gone like a son nasty. Hey, I then sitting there, my brother, do with you up on live, up on yard. No make you do nothing at all. So you feel free to go out and come. Watch me and you. Don't talk with you, you know.
she go and tell me say she a come from now. Kayla! Yes, come to me. Walk up. Hurry up.
Jenny, just up a yard.
Me need up a yard. Me say if you walk up, come to me, little girl. And look how you have on top on the road.
Your clothes. What
Walk
me supposed to
up.
have on? Look how I do have on.
Me say walk up.
A 2 foot me have on. Me a
Come
take
like
care of
say you are 18 and me are 15. Or that you look like. Where you come from?
down the road.
Where do you say you go?
Round a auntie.
You know, auntie say you go. Say you go shop. Where back la water then? You know, long me don't should be plate them away pan. Where did they?
Me ain't got no money for buy water.
Where you come from? Where you come? Where you? Where you? Come here! Come here! Stop! Come here! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Stop it! Beat up your stop! Watch out! Watch out! No, sir! No, sir! Put on the foot! Put on the foot! Put on the foot! Watch out! Hey! Yes! Watch out! No, sir! No! I got cut! Help me! Help me! Why? Bye-bye! 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 What did you get? Bye-bye! 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 Come on!
Beat her! Oi! Let me show you a beat her. Don't should run.
No,
Don't
man.
should run.
No, man, Papa.
Eh?
They man nowadays pitney, yeah.
You think somebody will help you?
Oh, God, no, me
You're
think
lucky.
help me.
No.
You know, from man, the girl said she got a road.
No what?
Eh?
No.
No,
You know,
sir.
so before me go look for me woman a while ago. She did a try to study with me. I look me.
I lie, tell.
That look.
I lie, tell me. Say.
Oh,
my
hola.
God. I mean, all of me are 18 and she are 15.
So, oh, she a beat her, yes, so.
Boy.
The one thing though, me can tell you, anybody
No, man.
put in that ear there,
I
they
mean,
tell her,
head
Then
me.
then deserve an award
No,
because I hear
sir.
the chunk of home, me see she a pull it
No,
up.
man.
And I pull it up.
And you stop and watch me.
Yeah.
If you come, me say me can't manage her.
No.
He come like she a take something big because she full of energy.
I want to tell her,
She
say,
full of strength.
But-
She a little 15-year-old, you know. Look at she have a pan and I look big man like a you. And what you do? Put your backside on her face. She live with no, she no live with no mother and no father. Mommy and daddy run gone. Let
So-
I bring upon me. Me can't manage that.
so me if it does what? Backside up.
What? Make you the permission. My word today. Anytime you see her, backside down, she could even send her on. Just start backside and send her home.
Backside down, I want to see you want to go to the station.
No,
and
me
report
not
me.
go to the station. That's why she just beat me. Me want to know where she go sleep. Cause tonight out of door she a tan. Out of door she a sleep.
Mama no talk. Do not talk because if you put her out and you go to the station, you are going to prison. And your mama and father, they are going
No,
to
they not
find
send
you.
me to prison. And mommy and I don't go to prison. I told them I pick me. You let me breathe?
Are you relative?
I'm my sister, but the pick me unroll papa and answer me I go through papa. Yesterday me catch she and your daughter. And your niece up the road a wine. And she a wine and she don't know where she come like a hookworm. Caterpillar.
Alright.
On roadside and wiggle up.
Alright, no say nothing.
Me I come about my business, you know.
No say nothing. Alright, later, we talk to you later. Okay.
Yes, Kayla. Come wash up your plate them.
Alright.
Answer to me. You see what me yesterday? No, but I feel to say I bypass that, you know. You hear me as a little girl?
Yeah, me hear you. Me alright.
Because sometimes me wonder if I feel to say I hear 18 and I'm the 15-year-old. I hear the 15-year-old I go up on the road and do not leave the yard.
Yeah.
I say go see what take place.
Alright.
I should play him good.
Go wash plate. Come on, you.
How long me wait for you? What did there? Wanna stop?
We stop
Who
on
not
that
talk
cool
to?
shade because the sun hot.
So long.
And not long that.
Me notice how you full of chat, you know. Me notice how you full of chat. And along,
No.
I'm more than 1 hour now since you leave. And you are going to tell me, say, and along. Where you come from?
Same place.
Same place. What of we go do so? I couldn't just come back. And that me ask you, now they carry me run and bring me run and come back. How? Round the wall of Jericho. Come here, idiot phone. You? You see, you look like you can't have a chance. Remember, me don't get the full warning about you already, you know. Come here. Let me get up. I will want to take me see that. Miss Nelly. Come here. Oh, you're lucky. You're lucky because if me did ever smell no man send pound, no. I'm a matter of fact. Your father did tell me so when you go man them you had your beard first before you come home, you know, because you're little and smart, you know. So who for perfume? Who for perfume that they find?
Am I want to pack up number?
Don't say me a body in the evening.
No, me I listen to you, Taylor. Me kind of me head not so good. I know with them two picking where they give me pay.
And then me talk about stills. I beg you do. I don't know if I your daughter or your niece, but one of them I broke out my sister. Yesterday, I see the little girl that walk come from out on the main road. After she said she had got shop, you know. I reach on main road, short up tights, belly skin.
A long time you know me. The 1 year of my daughter, you don't know that.
And your niece.
And this is my niece, and my brother pick me, but she has stay with me. But
Well,
like a years.
Me I tell her, say, when I talk to the little girl like me say me a little girl have to fight. Then I say, little girl beat me, you know.
Who are you fight?
Me and my sister, a little 15-year-old.
What talk straight because you frightens me.
No. Me just say need to warn them to leave out of their company.
Never they walk with your sister yesterday. So.
Cause me never see no now, I not tell her like pan, I never see no now. But me need to stop walk with me sister, stop par with her, cause when I broke her out, or she a broke out, I don't know how it go. I don't know how it go, I don't see it. Understand? Me never did see who I broke out who from who and I broke out who. But all me I say, you need to catch them up properly. Me can't say they want to get changed, cause me see him in a long clothes. Normally they in a belly skin and battery rider. You need to catch up your daughter. I didn't not hear at all. I'm gonna have to pop one of them neck. Cause the next I girl your brother permission, you know, to lick down my sister when you see him on the roadside, you know.
Where just say when go do with that?
Pop with it.
My brother idiot, so you can't say anything to him and tell my brother to do anything to your sister because you are one next idiot. And
Oh,
my
me
brother
a idiot.
fool. My brother a jackass and you a fool. So if you
me a fool.
You don't know some my brother depend drugs. If you want to send my brother to go pop your sister, that's a for your business, but no pop, none of them are neck here.
My wife today yeah. Any day name them, I see none of them with my sister on the roadside. And they they beat the whole three of them. Just mark my words, you know. Cause you're a big woman, you must know better. They power that do things higher than you they believe what them are saying and believe what people are saying. Yes, I say to you.
How about that?
How about that?
And when you come to do now?
Me not come to do now.
No, what you come to do now? Come beat them. See them, they beat them.
No,
go and go beat them.
You see,
because you and your sister fight, so you come to beat me niece and my daughter. Go and go beat them.
You see, me not.
Go and go beat them. Go and go beat them.
You see, show me bigger than you. Me not beat them. Me I watch my sister not breed for me and shame me. So when them shame me up, you will know because you pick up for them. And hear me now waste my time for uno. Not about I'm bright. But you big woman.
Kayla, look at you. When I left off a bridge, I can't talk about my niece and my daughter. Look at you. Look at you. Kayla, look at you. Where you turn back, come down and suffer. You not done going about your business, fish where you mix up and you love argument.
Stop worry about me and friends.
Stop worry about my daughter and my niece. And go about your business because you look like a warrior they look. And we fight up for them.
Me don't want to worry enough. Me don't want to worry enough.
Pop over neck.
You and that's your worry about. Yes. Worry about your worrying that you're worrying.
Oh, yes, I'm worrying that.
Who is acting?
No, worry about you.
Worry. No, go worry. Wait a second. Go worry. Oh, you need to go worry. Go worry.
Go worry about your worrying that.
No, say it again. No, say it.
Really?
Go worry about your worrying that. your brother what?
You feel some here ramp with you? What? More said. You're right. Anytime you see me niece or my daughter, any one of them, come out there and call your neck. I must see some you got to make your broke for me niece or my daughter neck and you have for your one. You lie. I lie like me pop for you too. Oh, Tada, I treat you like you're an impaddy there. Make you feel like you can come broke my niece. Make no rent with my niece. Nor my daughter. My brother idiot. Kupaunu too. They are popping show. I come go like you want to style me. Could you? Tell you always I can use to me because you know I know jazz wear. Well, your jazz catches them clear out. And you walk and thief like I just say you can use for me picking them all the while and I tell life to me leave them. So you want to murder me pick them on the road just like how your mama used to do. Go on where they go and leave me alone. When you come. Oh, Tada. You see this grace one you call down for me now?
Mommy, how we call it, mommy?
You see the disgrace every minute to no make Kayla this on the road. So now this a one me not blame you know. She and her sister fight, she come for blame you know. Where the backside?
Why look young girl that run thing life up so?
Which young girl?
Taylor.
Sophie.
We see you run past me.
Who you attack? Chicken back? Dirty Kayla. We coming and so can style your own a pitney, but what you mean why she a run so? She fi run galang right now, me should have see her fi bust her head.
You know saying that bush me there cut. My belly did cut me, you know?
You go shit a bush?
You couldn't do better.
Man when shit a bush, never catch you say it, cause you never know say this shit a go hold you. You're nasty, go home go bed.
No man, I mean look a black shirt when me did go and me use. It's a good to me about the marina.
The one shot. The one shirt where your father give you before you go on a foreign. I hit a take.
Then there's nothing wrong with the shirt. Some people walk come out and make you smell me.
You have to learn to keep your ass closed. Because you name too much. And sometimes you don't name nothing and go drink rum. In a rum bar me yesterday. You think me no know say that day when you come boast about it, they give $300 to daughter. Or me fi take it by whatever for daughter. You think me no know say a few money you come down and me and come tell me lie. How much a bar hit when me hear say you have woman out the road, they call you on phone. The phone call where you did get. A woman call you and you go give them must be 3,000 US. Boy,
huh?
How much money you had to give girl when I go want you? Me say that the girl is married if you never know I have 4 me. And plus she pregnant and me say she go give you it. Me say she dey plan to give you 2. You don't know say she a baby.
Oh, you know so much.
Me know everything. Because the same dirty Kayla where yesterday can use to me. She a tail bearer. She carry out news and she carry in it. She gone now. Me fi see her really look up there so like a idiot. Now you say you're in a bush and she can't see Kayla the pass. What you mean what want she know that behave 100%. But you notice how she dress? Let go it. Make insist say you start carry yourself better than when she did there your yard. That make you dress in a one way if a man take her away before time. What is wrong with you?
I mean force her to put on when she put on.
Yes!
Oh.
Because you have your friend them, they line up me here down the road, say you are line up your friend them to come there with the daughter to you want money. You are dirty pooper.
Jesus
What kind of man you be?
It's a mercy.
What you call God for? What God do to you? What God do to you?
It's not even like a situation that God has involved.
A dirty man you be.
Come here.
Yes, she not tell no lie, you do it.
Talking to me, ever tell her to a man?
You do it.
Then we are do because you collect as a man come in and come out here collect money, you want money.
Okay.
So not sell me.
All
But
right.
that's supposed to me.
All right.
My sister.
Your owner daughter in there sell out. He's a dirty rich.
No, let me tell you what I want to know. He make the man jump through my window, right?
So you know man jump that mean you watch me. Why are you watching me? Are you a security?
When the man jump...
Oh, hello. You go up. Hey. No bother with it. Stop. No talk to your father so although him a drunker without wing. You see the drunker them with wing fly high. This a one you fly low. He not no wing. He low-gi and careless. Shouldn't get a nice little daughter like you. Me I beg you. You see when you see me? Or you not see me? Don't disrespect him. Make him stay with him little dirty nasty ways until God ready for him marry devil because him a wicked. You are 15. You're not supposed to talk like you're adult. You hear me?
Yes, auntie.
Okay.
When the man jump through the window, I see gun on the man's side. Me the only key man but me say, gun? You must be mad. I wait till the man done work. And
Just the man they come through window or they go through window?
I go through the window.
So he already come in and do what he do?
Yes.
And when he go through, you come collect.
Me come so.
You stretch out your hand them.
Yeah. Me say, bossy, anything what you do in that house, I don't business. Just
So when
make
you
sure
see the
it's
man with the
mechanic.
gun, you not run go and die bed?
Who?
You, why you never run go and die bed?
I'm
Because
a-
you can't do nothing. You see you don't make man kill off your daughter. You know,
Ask him how much the man
As-
give him.
much money in the deal. Because you take him money. You should have known how much money you take from her. Or you
No.
take some and give her back some.
See, he
How
get-
much money
how
man
the
did give you?
Ask him.
How much you take?
Me get 20,000 and like him and give him $1,000 and me just say big man come.
So the man look on you and give you 20 grand?
After I win they put it on me and I say, listen me, a 15-year-old that you will go to
I
prison.
sell you or sell out your daughter. And you are going to go to prison.
He don't take you out, me couldn't take you back.
So why you take money?
So hold on you know. So me if you make
He don't take the hood, you couldn't take it back. So if he didn't take the hood, you would have take him. What
what's happening? Bye, no, no.
Why?
Yeah, yeah,
Why?
bust your head.
People! You don't come up here so come and help me, this one crowd. You,
Mister.
dirty coolie boy. Let me tell you something.
Miss,
My father used to tell me mother say, he no sure say you a fiend. You is a jacket. And your life just like the vest them where you wear because none of them no fit. You're too wicked. Look there, look what you go do. Put on your neighbor pants and come a road and come create
no, me never
excitement for
have
your
one.
daughter.
I know me never pants.
Me no say. Me see. Toga in other pants there.
No.
Yes.
Toga have one. Toga follow me. But you know, me sure I'm good. Me sure I love my daughter so much. I have
But look how you come switch up argument for me. You take 20 grand from man and make man go and do it.
Passport. We look about. Actually, I never can go look about him passport.
Let me
Because
see
I plan to can go to America. Go make him know life. Make him get good education. Over there. He can go to school, yeah.
America?
Yeah.
Trump no want you over there. You see all where they do? Eh?
Trump go want me.
With this
Hold on. Between me and you, no, keep down your mouth. Trump go want me over there. Because I'm going to show him which part the people them went straight there. I'm going to carry him all over the place of a foreign.
You know, it's, hey.
You see that New York?
Boss it.
Yeah, man.
Boss it.
Yeah.
You want dirty informer. You is the informer.
Oh.
Yes, you boss it and you don't know where you boss it for. You is the informer. I want you take your dirty mouth and go over in America. Which state you go? Which one of them? All I see them. You they go America to go inform pan people for people come back here as a wicked dirty drunk.
Him give green card together. Him say give green card. So me tell him.
Trump tell you say him will give you one or green card.
Yeah. And maybe I'll get green card to the daughter.
You know, I notice with you when you don't beard, you lie. And when you beard, you will tell them go two lie. But you see from your beard, 100 lie. Go and go beard. You better you tell me less lie now. Me tired of you. Go on. Me tired of you. Where you tap yourself for? And I can't tell me about dirty Kayla, how you shit in a bush. Go on where you go. You see you? You see the same side where you sleep on last night, you better sleep on it tonight. Because if you're not mind sharp, you don't go to prison.
Oh, you're more.
You are taking 20 grand from a man, they go through window with gun and allow them to come have sexual intercourse with your daughter and you don't say nothing about it.
And when the
Take
man
the money.
And when the man come back out, the man done in job. Me have to collect. And me never collect down. Me have
You're
to
straight
suffer.
from me and say, no, you're not no father, you know.
Me's a good father.
You're not no real father.
That's a good father. Some father
You're
that think he
dirty
go buy
father,
rum.
drunker father.
Ask him when we did the 20
You're
grand.
not even godfather.
Ask him when we did the 20 grand.
You're lizard father, rat
You
father,
care about-
cat father, cow father. Go
Don't
on.
bridge you go. Don't bridge you go.
Look how you
You
turn
love
up and you
bridge.
argue with the little pitney like say you are not her size. You figure say your daughter is not your woman.
Me not care
Go
about
on.
doctor next day.
Go on where you go. Go on, leave her alone.
Me not care about doctor little girl.
Don't point pan her. Go on where they
Go
go.
make you get injection.
Dirty
All right.
boy. Go on.
All right.
Leave her. She don't live with you no more. So what is the problem? And the $20 where you did give me fee if you buy food for her, it done. So you need to care money come. That the 2 months gone, you ain't say a month and a half, at almost 3 months. You feel say me an idiot? Be front you buy pan bridge, but you know, I no money.
And
Come.
when the month run out, I come in full, I don't be done.
Come.
You look a few days, then we have a complaint. You know, stop complain. You hear me say? Stop complain. Anyway, I'm up here, one 10 grand come tomorrow. You know?
Leave her alone. Talk and don't find. Cause you act like you want to fight her.
No, me not
Deal with
fight.
her like she's a child. Don't deal with her like she's a woman.
One little birdie piece, we say I want black boy.
And you want money from that one day too.
No. Me
Like
want-
you have problem with black. What is the problem with you?
Huh?
You have problem with minute you chat about girl Batija black. No, she have black man. What is wrong with you? Black is beauty. Go on this party, they go leave her alone, man.
No, me just a
Me a
suggest the
try
color.
to
I
make
know
she
white.
grew up in the right way. How she figure
I know white. I don't know brown. I want black boy.
I know pink. And I know purple.
But me
You're
tell you
just
though,
careful how you they chat. You hear?
make sure that little birdie is alright. Because Any belly you gonna have, I'm glad I'm a sister you did it. So we done chat.
You glad that your sister and then chat.
Cause if you
No,
breed,
yes, when she just
and
come
you
on
have
me
a
and
mind.
you see she did dirty looking and frownsy and smell bad. Smell her she sweet and nice and clean out. Me know where she get the frownsiness from and the nastiness. Go on. Nobody come back her out back again. Cause she not go back in your nasty world. She not come back to your yard. Papa, you frownsy, you frownsy, you frownsy, you frownsy. You, me say if you even ain't tell me say you go in a bush go shit before while mother know cause from you come here so me smell shit. Go and go bed. Go and go bed cause you dirty shut you use. And you shut your father give you when him a go find you use in a bush. You're nasty. Go and go bed, man. Think of shit now. Oh, look here. No go back on yard. Because if you go back, you go smell like a shit. Come. You no come go home. Wait. Making go on. Me no want him come over me yard. Want him piece of out the road still. Making go on. Me no want him know where they go. Alright, him gone. So come to go over yard now. We no want him over there. Beg too much.
Me someone just give me $1,000. And I just come down and go buy a cake. Bread.
Where you go?
Me I go down there so.
Where you going to go?
I go buy a burger.
If you get money from buy a burger, little girl, you have money, you have work, we go buy a burger you talk about.
Then I told push I'm supposed to get.
Where you get money from to buy a burger? Eh? And matter of fact, the yard me left you, where you do to your yard?
Me I go buy something.
Oh, tell us you left the yard, Kay. Turn back round and go up to the yard. No! What's that smell your arm?
Wait till when mommy come.
Go on.
Leah. Come here, look on the phone. Look on the bed and see my phone. Carry come. I'm confused right now, you know. I'm tired and the lady will wait for me. Smiley, come here. Shut my door because I want to tidy up the place. I don't want the neighbor them to see the stain they dirty. Thank you. Shut the door when we talk to you. Come right here now. I'm in the chat to you know neighbor not here. Listen. I want to keep the place clean and tidy. Look for me because you see I want you to know. You see I look out there so? Oh, when people talk to you, no look on them. The town to tidy up the place. Don't come out of the yard, me I go somewhere. And you see the thing when me I go do, me now tell you now how me I go look about something. It will take about 6 hours to done before me come back. So 6 hours before me come back. I call it 6.5 hours because that's something me I go do and me just estimate it as 6-7 hours. Don't come out of the yard. Me tell you already 1,000,000 times. Tidy up the place, clean of the yard, behave on yourself. Me no want nobody in my yard. So make sure. What?
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Yeah, what?
Auntie.
You want to you. Yes, yeah, hear what me I say?
Yes, mommy.
You always act like you're innocent, you know, like you hear everything and you go behave yourself. But remember, you know, me say me I want secret punishment for you. I don't really fear you. Anyway. I'm sitting in the seat, you know, so no excuse when me come back, you know, to tell me, oh, when Mrs. Sound then I had like always do as usual. I shop me did go come me did thirsty, drinks in my fridge, food in my house, stay in there, one inside. 6 hours me I take before me come back, or maybe 6.5 hours, go on. Go on, you know, go in and make me sister me left on, oh, if you know, you will your name in a man problem all the while. All the while your name a mix up with man. You know what? Make sure say the credit when me left on your phone is stay on it. Yeah, the only person you call is me or your father. You hear what me say?
Yes, auntie.
Go on. Go in. Go on in. Lock the door. Later. Oh, Patsy, you still there at the place I wait for me? Yeah, girl. That's something me did do. Me did talk to me niece and my daughter. May I come now? Yeah, alright. May I come now? Cool.
You know, say me I go on the road with that business and come back.
You ever go on road?
If you not go on the road, how you eat? If I don't go on the road, okay, how you eat? Where go eat?
You hardly eat fries, you know.
Listen to me. Me I go on the road and come back. I mean, I guarantee you this time. Do not leave out of the yard, stay in the yard. Because if me ever they come and see you on the road, me I guarantee you, you're not going to win this time. Me I promise you that. I never promise you nothing tonight, but I promise you this. I never see you on the road, okay? Stay in the yard, rush to play them and go lie them and go on your phone. Use the internet, don't come out of the yard.
Alright, Sister Kayla.
Yes, stand in the yard. So come back.
Yeah, baby, you did good. Me literally did like it. But me have to go see me can't go up before my sister, so me can't talk to talk to you. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Girl, who you going to see? Why? Left the yard. I did warn you. Girl, you think you're going to beat me again? You think you're going to beat me again, girl? You think you're going to beat me again? Girl. I'm going to beat you, girl. I want to beat you. You think I would hold you?
Yeah, man.
You think I would pass up? It's a big whip. You make a beat him.
What? It's a big whip.
Yeah, problem.
Chassis hard.
William! We are giving it back. What do you think? Bye. Bye-bye.
Chang.
Are you weak? Backside. Yeah, big man. What do you think? What's your...
Hold on. Walk him. William! Sorry. Nothing tell me.
William!
Tell me, come on, go ahead. Walk him. You got. How are you? You make him beat you again? Oh, God.
You let me have me penny.
Yeah, man, I say go. You see? Tell him go come. Now go for my sister. Tell her to come.
I say your daughter breed.
Let's stand up out here, so I do.
Just the other so. I want to take cool breeze.
Eh?
Take cool breeze.
You smiley?
In the with in the mama man.
Eh?
She in there with mama man.
So that's why you stand up outside, then send you outside? Or you will come out after your one?
Me.
So you did in there with man too?
No, mommy, I saw
So which man that?
His name Jabon.
Jabon. From where?
I don't know.
You know him?
She alone know him.
What going in here, so? I want to know what going in here, so. All under my fan when me buy. Who you? Who him?
I'm gonna put in my shit now.
Put on which machine? What you doing at my place? What you do with my niece? She underage. Big old man like a you.
Who underage? I 18 years old, some woman I deal with.
Who are you 18?
She 18. She such a time
She 18.
She tell me.
She 18. Eh? She 18. She 18. A 15-year-old that. 15.
Girl.
15.
She tell me she 18, mama. Easy now.
Eh? 15. Me broke your bone, boy. You want me broke your bone when you come in here, so what you do? Grip. A grip, you grip her.
Grip.
All on
She
you.
tell me she 18.
So you're not in a business long time.
About 3 months now.
Yo, come out. Come out of my place. Come out. Come out of my place. Come out of my place. All you. You. Me not ever go take that lick. You can't do one on police lock me up. What me belt?
No.
Kneel down. Kneel down. Hold up your hand in the air. Hold up your hand. Where me belt there? Where me belt? Oh, so you have plan. You hide all the belt.
Me not hide the belt.
You hide the belt when me used to use and beat me daughter. She behave herself. So you broke out me daughter. No me believe what my brother did tell me say. And no me believe say you're the carrying man in my brother house. But he still not have no right for to take money from man. When you carry them in because you're underage. You want go cops. The man them where you take one go prison and your papa want go prison too. Me not sorry for you today. Anything when me take catch it, me I use murder you in here today. Look here. You're too bad. You're too bad, man. You're too bad. Hold one in your foot. Come out here, son. Hold on your foot and one in your ears. You're tough now. You little and bad. What you come in here for? You think you run things in here, so? So that you make me daughter they do too? Okay. The two only they keep, man. She did have money in here too? No, don't shake it. No, shake it off for me. No, shake it off for me. You're too out harder. Come on, move friend in front. Move friend in front. You're too little bit out harder. You're too terrible. And what kind of heat can you in a 15-year-old body? What kind of man you know want so? Look on the place. Look on the place. Before you tidy up the place, but you're there, they take man. You're a little bit out harder. Wait till me see my brother. Is I then go take you back or me they send you a cops? Remember, because you're not stay here so no more. That me I tell you.
Oh, me, well, look how far me feel really I walk from. You know the big old pants here. You only want to know the incident with up on the road with Kayla sit down on his sister, trashing sister ass. Have I shared that?
Oi. You notice you talk and I not answer you?
Anyway.
I don't have a police station me call right now, you know. Okay.
The me I talk about the machete. The machete I confuse me still. Anyway, I send you money to deal with some things with that and I realize you look like you haven't called me back with them thanks or not. I don't know if you get it or
you send money to me. Look here, right now. The way I'm busy, I not check my account to see if nobody sending me. Not know if it come to me email or not. I not know. Because you see your damn data where you have there. I want big problem, you know. Real problem. Me cannot manage her no more. Right now, I don't have station. Me did a bow call.
Oh, and the thief?
Thief are no good something, but it better she did thief, because me should have thief from. Me her auntie. At least me could have school her and make she know say stealing is wrong.
Good.
What don't give to you, do not take it. But I know that.
Oh.
A man me come see ya. She and man well cock up in ya in palm me bed. One dirty foot boy. Name Jawbone. Me no know when come from at the first me I see this man. Big old man.
Oh, wait a second.
Eh?
Jawbone. And in black.
Yes.
I mean that same boy there. Sit down and drink. And my daughter am I there with?
The man them nowadays know what them a do. They friend the father fit there with the daughter.
But you don't know if me have a youth that are next thing again.
You hear what me just say? Me say, the man them nowadays, then Ginal, they know what them a do. You hear what me just say to you? The man them nowadays, then Ginal, then friend the father, fit there with the daughter, they know what them a do. And your daughter, Ginal, me can't believe, say, She really make me come see man in a true because what? Me tell her say me dey go and me now come back till 6 hour time or 6.5 hour.
I saw that thing do me at the time one time. He tell me I go
Trick
for
me
the
check
road.
her cause me never go stay so long.
Okay. You see what me I try show you now? You see what me I try show you now? A cops is she go. Cops.
Right
No.
there now? Me not tell no lie. Yes, when I send them a cops, then me hear say they worse than when they go in there. But me, it better we send her go there. At least she can stop walk around and have sex with big man. She go damage her poor little body. You know what I mean? By the time she reach 20 or so, she not have no use for herself again. So when she reach adult,
You know what I mean?
already if you want a man now, then say this a little girl that done, her body done.
You ready for the secret now? What me want to
Yes,
tell
me
about your
can't
daughter?
tell me, because a long time every day you tell me and you tell me.
Your daughter have breed a Mass Johnson. Yes. She have breed a Mass Johnson.
So, Papa, me and you.
Sister and brother.
Okay. So, Papa, why you hold such a secret from me for so long every day me ask? I think I sitting is more simpler than that. So, my daughter pregnant under my roof and me don't know that?
A Mass Johnson, Miss yeah. Cause every time we do a Mass Johnson, yeah, down there. The must think maybe give him a call and I'm looking at the phone. She send him pregnancy test. She send him this.
See who for son she a breed for?
Mass Johnson.
Then who Mass Johnson be? When come from?
The people that have the big house. Up the hill.
Where the heap of big dog them there?
Yeah.
Jesus God.
Them a picnic, yeah.
Them the people they were so cockatty. I don't want them picnic chat to anybody. Then a whole see that the woman the son come get involved with my daughter.
Jump fence. Them jump fence. Dirty piece of...
Guess what? Me blame you for keep it from me although it don't happen already. But I know your daughter alone I got cops. So the two of them make sure you have picnic in there. Government will take it right. Me not take up no problem, put pan problem. Me can't manage it. So
But-
the two of them are go cops.
No go tell them, me tell you, know. Cause Mass John, you know, them people that love them pie. We can't take a bullet. I don't want his son to take up a gun and come look for me. But I look a boy still something and how you send him go a cops. How you go send she go a cops to one little boy.
You think of that me I send him go to a little boy, whether little boy or big man, because she's a child. She
The boy is, and she go to prison, from cops to prison. The boy is 14 and she is 15.
Listen man, listen why she have to go. She not listening to me. She bad and me can't manage her. So government have to go take her up in her hand. Make she have the child there and then take it picnic from her and put her at the one of the baby then there.
Oh good, because
By the time she reach age, she have more sense. The picnic will grow up and then she will go for her picnic. Look here.
Because the boy is 14, the boy can't go to prison.
Me not go in and no war with nobody we breed nobody. Cause I know me tell them if you go open up the shop door and take in milk and sardine pan shelf. I know me make sure say me work and put everything in my house for them eat and drink. Your daughter and my daughter are too damn bad as claddy. Me can't manage them.
You see before me left here, my woman a breed. But we are going to fly go to Florida. I'm going to dash my daughter passport because she don't work here anymore. She a breed, but I only hoping that a girl, if it's a girl in her, come back to Jamaica. Me don't want to step foot on Jamaica style.
Okay, go on. Me don't want to hear about see you poke woman. Go on. Go on, cause pity you don't know me here down the road. Go on, cause you soon find out if you get her pregnant or somebody else. Go on.
If I jacket, me take it.
No, go on. Me know say you love them something there. Me know because you see, uno dirty man, uno love buying jacket, uno no like mine phone, uno a personal picnic where uno get. Other people picnic uno like mine. Go on dirty man.